Welcome back. We have big breaking updates now coming in. Security agencies have gathered crucial leads on Pahalgam attackers from jailed Lashkar terrorists. Security agencies have uncovered significant leads in the Pahalgam terror attack case following the interrogation of Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives currently lodged in Jammu and Kashmir jails. My colleague Priyank Tripathi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, this is extremely significant, not just to provide more evidence for Pakistan's involvement, but this could also provide more leads on how the entire terror attack had been planned. What are the details?
Yes, Sati, much detail has come up after the questioning of the two jailed Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists have been done by the National Investigating Agency inside the premises of the jail, which is Sati giving a lead that what is the next strategy of the Pakistan's ISI. Over the period of last few years since what we have seen in the 2019 attacks, they have been focus of the Pakistanis to recruit only few of the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists who are sent to Pakistan and they are sent back. Logistically also it's very important for them to keep a tab of few of the terrorists and then provide the kind of ration, ammunition while they are hiding in the up the hill. What we have also seen yesterday that one of the OGW jumped while he was taken to reveal the location of the hideouts. That is what is the focus of the agencies, because the terrorists are still hiding in the hilly area. They have been massive combing operation. Taking the SOP in hand, certainly the operation is taking some much of time. But what we are getting to know that it is just a matter of few hours before these terrorists can be spotted, because the agencies are very close to the location where these terrorists have been running to save their life. One more important factor, what we have got to know, that the terrorists have been given an assigned task by the ISI to target few more the tourist installation as well as a few prominent hotels, which has also come up. The information has been shared with various intelligence, because all the agencies which are working here, whether it's an operational unit or the unit which is being providing the law and order situation, and they are taking of the law and order situation, the input is being shared properly. So the questioning of these accused has certainly given much more detail. What we got to know day before yesterday, that the sighting of the terrorists happened in the valley area, but have managed to flee away once again, taking advantage of the height and the mountain terrain. But the agencies and the Indian Army is certainly combing this particular forest area so that the success can be received as soon as possible, because people are very angry. They are feeling that it is taking much more time for the agencies and the security apparatus to gun down these terrorists. But yesterday they could have given a very much lead, but the OGW jumped in the river and he committed suicide, which has caused some sort of damage to the operation which was certainly going on.
Okay, all right. So the investigations have revealed that the terrorists involved had received specialized military training aimed at enabling them to build hideouts in the hilly terrain and survive for extended periods. Priyank, stay with